Why does your scanner show the P0428 engine code? What does it mean? P0428 is a diagnostic trouble code for catalyst temperature sensor circuit high, bank 1, sensor 1. This error code indicates that the catalyst temperature sensor on bank 1, specifically that the sensor is reading a high input. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty catalyst temperature sensor, wiring issues, catalytic converter degradation, engine control module problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ram 1500 EcoDiesel, Mercedes-Benz ML320 CDI, and Peugeot Boxer. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.